Hey everyone, financial planning बहुत बड़ा काम है. It cannot be completed in less than 2 minutes, but there are 3 important formulas which I can give you in less than 2 minutes. Let's start.
Okay, the first thing. So what exactly you are saving on monthly and what interest rate and what is my output amount. So for that there is a simple formula. The formula is FV. In Excel you can just choose FV. The first you have to choose like what percentage of return you are getting. You have to choose your investment amount and just deduct the first investment amount as such. If I invested 2000 for 7% for 10 years, so you'll get 3,46,169. Jumping to retirement planning, how do you plan retirement? So you can actually go for lump sum option or SIP option. For let's say 3 crores of corpus, if you think about 20 years of planning and 12% of total returns, you can use the function PV. Okay, so PV function just provide all these values together and you're gonna get an amount here. Then you can actually choose for amount option, that is SIP option. You can use the function PMT. Okay, just use the Excel, use it as it is, don't worry about it. You can also see for education planning, like let's say I need 15 lakh for my kids education after 12 years and I'm investing in 12% option, then I can use same formula like PV and PMT for calculating the future values. Now breaking the insurance myth, let's say you are paying 5,000 per year, okay, for 1 lakh rupees insurance for 20 years and there is some bonus content. It is not guaranteed, but let's say 50,000 total bonus. So if I want to calculate the rate, so I'm using rate function D5 minus D4 and giving D6 D7 addition, that is I'm getting around 4% of return. If I'm not getting any bonus basically, then I'll be getting minus 11%.
Get all the videos with hashtag less than 2 minutes. Also like, share, subscribe.